Hello there. Today I will make a video for mini tower keys. This is the repository for mini tower keys OLED 0.96 screen, and I will show you how to enable OLED 0.96 screen on your Raspberry Pi. First of all, you need to flash the image to your TF card and make sure your Raspberry Pi can access the internet. And then you need to turn on I2C function by using sudo Raspberry respi config, and navigate to interface options, and then select I2C and press enable and select yes. Okay. After that, you can check if the screen has been recognized by Raspberry Pi via using following commands: I2C detect -y space 1 means detect I2C device on your GPIO. Okay, and if you encounter command not found error, please install I2C minor tools by using sudo apt update and sudo apt -y install I2C minor tools. Okay, and then you need to install some dependence libraries such as Python 3 minor pipe, and Python 3 minor pil means you can execute some image on your screen, and libjpeg dev means some JPEG format image can be converted to your hashmark or something else, and others dependence libraries like zlib1g and libfreetab, liblcms, and libopengp 2-1 and -7, sorry, and libtif5. Okay, you need to install this, and then grant privileges to your Pi user by using sudo user mode -a -g means add this user to group GPL and I2C. Okay, so that Pi user can operate your GPL via your scripts. Okay, and you need clone this repository to get the examples daemon code. So let's show you how to do that. Okay, at the very beginning, you have to connect your screen to your Raspberry Pi on GPIO, and you can follow the instructions manual, which including the package. Okay, and also you can access our wiki website to get more information about that. First of all, I have connected to my Raspberry Pi by using SSH. So you can see my kernel version and release version. I use Raspbian code name Bullseye, means the latest version of Raspberry Pi OS. Okay, and the second, I need to enable I2C function by typing sudo respi config and select to navigate to interface options here and select I2C. Okay, select enable. Yes. Alright. The ARM I2C interface is enabled, and then finish. Let's do this. Once you have detected your OLED screen, you can see there is 3C mark here, means your connection is okay. If you have noted this command, or your screen did not show this address, you can just update and install I2C tools. Do remember here is a S. If you don't put this one, you will encounter error. If you cannot connect to the internet, you will see that there is temporary failure resolving the domain name. So let's check my DNS file by using this command. So I want to use Google DNS, so I will change this one to 8.8.8.8. means I will resolve the domain name by using Google DNS. Okay, and also we can put this here, save it, and check if it is okay. Alright, let's do it again. Update and install I2C tools. I have already installed I2C tools, so after that you will see that the I2C tools is the latest version, so you don't have to install it again. Okay, you will see that I2C is already the newest version. Okay, after that we need to install the dependence libraries by using this command. Okay, let's copy and paste. Alright, after install this, I need to grant privileges to user Pi by using this command. Sudo user mode -A-G GPL, I2C Pi. Okay, and I can check if Pi user is under this group. You can see that Pi user is adding to has been added to I2C and GPL here. So, and next step is to clone the repository from GitHub. by using this command. Git clone rm who luma.examples git. Okay. Let's try it again. Sometimes the web server is not responding. You can try it one more time, okay? And you need to make sure you get this repository from GitHub so that you can light up your OLED screen. Let's copy it again. Maybe I need to reboot my Raspberry Pi. Okay. Okay. All right. You will see that you have receiving object, and then you can see there is a folder called luma.examples. Enter into this change directory to the luma.examples. You can see that there is a examples folder. Our demo code will be here, but you need to check what kind of version of your Raspberry Pi, what's the person's version. You can see that Raspberry Pi has version 2.7 and also has 3.9. So you can just try this command. pip3 means use Python 3 to install the dependency libraries. Install -e means follow the this folder's instruction to install the libraries, and don't forget the point means local directory. It means current directory. Okay, and you will get this information about. It will download some Luma core, Luma emulator, Luma LED matrix, then and so on. Also, it will install SMBus2, means you can use Python script to control your I2C device. Okay. All right, and then cd to examples and Python 3 system info.py, and then you will see some information on your OLED screen. Okay, it's very easy to modify this this scripts to fit for your needs. You can use Vim or Vim tools to modify this file, and you can see that there is some information you can get. For example, CPU usage, memory usage, and disk usage, network interface status, and device status. Okay, and you can also modify this code by gathering the CPU temperature or something else. Okay. Alright. I will make a video for this information. Okay. At the very beginning, I will show you here the connection. The purple one is connect to ground. Your Raspberry Pi. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pin number 6 is ground. Pin number 1 is 3.3, and the yellow one is SDA. The green one is SCL. 3.3 SDA SCL ground. Okay, 4 pin to your OLED screen. And once you execute this sysinfo.py script, you will get this information. Alright, this is average load, CPU load. This is uptime. This is memory. This is your disk state usage, and this W line 0 means your Wi-Fi, and TX means transfer data and receive data here. And also you can modify this information by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.